Hi, so today we're going to make British bangers from scratch, and I'm going to show you how I do it. And I don't buy them, and the reason why I don't buy them because I'm always disappointed. So let's do it. First we're going to start off with a 70-30 mix, which is 70% meat and 30% fat. You've got to have plenty of fat in sausages, otherwise they're going to be horrible and dry out. So we're going to start with that first. Today's recipe, I'm using pork shoulder and pork belly. A big shout out to my mate Chiz over in London. I know that he's a pork stuffer. God help us, I'm almost there. I think I'm going to have a glass of beer after this. I use like 1.5 pounds of the rusk, which I make up myself. I'm not going to go into that now because that's another thing. And I also make the seasoning. A little bit of water at a time. Got to work that all in. Keep on adding more rusk. Which is basically, you can use breadcrumbs, but rusk is the chosen ingredient for the old banger. And then a little bit more herbs, spices goes in. I actually start stuffing them into the casings. What I like to do is to take a little piece and make a patty to make sure the taste is good there. All right, so all cold ingredients here. As you can see, it just came out the freezer. I'm gonna start putting them in the tube and getting on with the job in hand. All right, we're going in. Wish me luck. All right, and away we go. Always keep the end open so you can, so the air comes out. Voila, there's one. So in the fridge, let them dry out overnight, and there's 12 pounds of bangers there.